Hi, and welcome to this course. Now in this course I'm going to create an oil painting from start through to the finish, and I'm going to show you how to create that painting using layers. Now this course will show you step by step how to create each layer, starting from the back of the painting and gradually working your way forward. Now all the materials that I use and recommend in this course are my own preferred materials. You will obviously have to use your own discretion if you're purchasing materials for yourself. Again, although I list several brushes in this course, it is possible to complete a painting using fewer materials than are actually listed. It's just practice in the end of the day. Now I would advise you to wear some form of old clothing or some form of protection when you're painting, just in case of any spillage or any splashing. Now please note, this oil painting course is just to show you the basics of how an oil painting is constructed using layers. It is not a course on how to mix oil paints, and this will therefore not be shown during this course. Now a complete list of all materials that are used in this course will be shown once the painting is completed. And of course this is covered by our 30-day money back guarantee, no questions asked. Now I do hope that this course gives you a bit more of an understanding on how to construct an oil painting from start to finish, and I do wish you well if you choose to try this course for yourself. So best of luck, happy painting, and I'll see you on the other side.